Hello everyone, I'm here to help walk you through getting set up with the CECO modules. So let's take it step by step and get you set up. The first thing that you're going to need to do is go to the California Early Childhood online website, and I have it up there in this with this hyperlink. You're going to need to create an account by clicking on New User, and you'll see that with the red arrow pointing at that right here. Next, you're going to need to actually complete the registration form. It's going to look like this image down here. You're going to type in all of your information, and you might notice that there's a section that maybe you're not familiar with, and that is this workforce registry number. If you do not have a workforce registry number, which the majority of you probably do not have, you're going to click on this link right down here that says don't have a workforce registry number. Go here. Now, if you do have a registry number, you're going to type it in, click submit, and you're done. You can go straight into the CECO module dashboard. But for those of you that don't have that registry number, you're going to be taken to a separate page that looks like this image below. And you're going to click on Create a Profile. Looks just like the button that's pointed out with the red arrow. Once you click that, you need to fill in all of the required information about yourself, and then it will take you to another page. Once you submit that, you're going to be asked to complete the employment section. Now, don't worry if you're not employed, or even if you are employed but not working with children in an early childhood setting. You're simply going to search by the employer city and then type in Fresno. So you can see right here, it'll give you several different options. Just type in or select the pull down menu that says employer city. And then in our case, we're just going to type in Fresno. You can type in Clovis if you're in Clovis. But either way, you're going to type those in. Next, you're going to select your program. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. If you do currently work for a daycare provider or a center, you can look yours up. If you're not, you can simply click to the very last page, which in this case is page 31. Once you click on that page, it'll take you to a screen that looks like this, and you'll notice that the last two options are employer business not found or currently unemployed. You can select either one of those options. And the workforce registry is not concerned if you're working currently in the field, so don't stress if that is you. So click one of those two options and click the user registration education page, and that's going to take you right here. Fill these different fields in. Don't again worry about what it says. If you do not, like for example this first one that says if you hold a teaching credential, tell us which one. Don't feel like you have to have one, just you can click the I do not have a credential if that is the case for you. Once that's filled in, it's going to take you to a page that says you've successfully created your account, and it's going to ask you to validate your email. So you'll go to your email, you'll click the link that the workforce registry gives you, and you're going to be taken to your account. You need to click on your account and then click on My Registry ID Number. Once you click on that, a small pop-up window will come up with your ID number. You'll copy that, so right-click it, highlight it, copy that number, and you're going to now go back into the CECO website and complete that registration form that we looked at earlier. You're going to type in that workforce registry number, and then once you have that all filled in, you're going to have access to your dashboard. Your dashboard is going to look something like this. These are the modules that we're going to be working from, the DRDP 2015. And then, with preschool age children, that's pointing to the wrong one. And then for the modules this semester, we're going to be working out of the Foundations and Frameworks Overview module. In order to be able to access all of these, there's several different learning domain modules inside of this one. You're going to need to take a short quiz. So you'll click on this Foundation and Frameworks Overview. You'll take a short quiz, and once you pass that little quiz, that test, you're going to be given a certificate and a key code. And I'll show you where that key code is located. You'll find it. A page will look just like this. You'll click this bottom hyperlink down here, and it will give you a key code that will help you to access the other modules. These are the different modules that we're going to be covering over the course of this semester. We're going to hit all of them. And the thing that we're most excited about is that as students, you're going to be able to actually accumulate professional development hours, which hopefully will help you in creating your portfolio as you go to work in this field, and obviously also gain some insights into the preschool foundations and frameworks in general. So if you have questions, you can of course reach out to your instructor, but also note that there is a hard copy of these instructions if you want to take it a little bit slower and take it step by step. Thanks so much.